Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Sorry it's been a while between videos. We've been super busy in our household having a brand new baby Oakley and yeah, getting the house ready to move in. We moved in when Oakley was only 7 days old, so it's been a whirlwind adventure.
He's been really good. He's lived through the whole thing.
Yeah, so we're excited to have him and I'm so excited to show you what we've been up to. So let's go check it out. So our original kitchen was actually in this space over here, which is now our dining room. But welcome to our new kitchen and the heart of our home. It's everything we could have dreamed of and more. I'm absolutely in love with it. It just turned out perfectly. And I can honestly say we spend most of our time in this space. So I feel like the show-stopping piece of the kitchen would have to be our gigantic island bench. It was a huge discussion between Garth and I about how big to make the bench, and originally we had it about 2/3 of the size, but we decided to extend the room back and get the extra space, and I'm so glad that we did, because this space is used for everything from eating to sitting down and doing colouring with the kids to entertaining, and it just really showcases the beautiful stone. So originally we had our heart set on a marble stone bench top. We looked at so many marbles, but we ended up deciding to go with this Stone Ambassador engineered stone. And the selling point for us was durability. You can spill things on it and just wipe it up, and there's no stains behind. And having 3 little kids, it's really important to us that it not only looks amazing, but it's also really practical. I also found that the Sierra Leone marble style really blends well with our Carrara marble subway feature tiles. And it's really hard to tell that it's not actually the same type of marble, so it blends in perfectly. So happy with how it's turned out. So we've chosen to include an integrated fridge into the kitchen. We didn't want the fridge to be a feature itself. I won't show you too much because it's full of just beer and cake at the moment because we've just had a function. It also has the integrated freezer, and we haven't filled it yet, but I love just how seamless it is. It's not the feature of the kitchen and it just lets everything else shine. Cabinetry style that we decided to go with is the shaker doors, and we did get an extra little piece cut out, which Form Cabinets were happy to do for us, which I feel really gives it a different style to this basic shaker cabinetry and gives it a little bit more character. But I'd have to say my favorite part of the cabinetry is this gorgeous range hood. We saw a similar style on Pinterest. It's been on my mood board since the beginning, and it's, yeah, really forms the center of our kitchen. And for the oven, we decided to go with a freestanding oven. It's a Smeg, it's really big, so plenty of space for cooking, for entertaining. The whole house is designed for entertainment. We're on the water. It's always such great weather here on the Gold Coast, really summery, so it's so amazing that we're able to be situated with the kitchen right next to the pool area. We can watch the kids play, and even while you're cooking and preparing, you don't feel like you're missing out on the action. So we put in this massive window so we can see everything that's happening outside, and it really is so beautiful, especially on the winter mornings, to have the morning sun come in. It's always a nice warm space. Everyone sort of hangs out in this area. We decided to put the main sink overlooking the water, so when we're doing dishes or preparing, we can watch what's happening outside. And with the tapware, we've tried to keep it the same throughout. We've gone with brass detailing. So these taps are from ABI Interiors. They are amazing quality for the price, really good value, and they look absolutely stunning. So we also kept the brass detailing going through our cabinetry handles, which are from Hepburn hardware. And we've done a combination of handles between the pull handles and the little knobs, which is really keeping in with the classic American style. They usually do the alternating pull handles and knobs, so we wanted to keep with that style. With the overhead cabinets, I love this detailing with the cross bars and the glass. All in all, in our kitchen, I think it was 128 handles that we had to order. So we've got heaps of storage, which is really important for us. Our previous kitchen in this house had hardly any storage. So, you know, obviously we're a big family of 5. We need plenty of storage, but now I don't have enough glasses for our cabinetry. So now I'm gonna have to go shopping. So one of my favorite pictures that I pinned on my mood board had these stunning lights on them. And then Beacon Lighting just recently brought them out. So I was so excited to be able to find the exact light that I wanted. And it really come to life from my mood board. And I've used these throughout the home. One of the features that we love the most about the Hampton style is the indoor-outdoor lifestyle, and having a gas strut window is perfect for allowing that style of living. So we can serve all of our drinks and make the most of our beautiful kitchen to serve out to our alfresco whilst watching the children play in the pool. And we're really close proximity to the pool bar, the outdoor kitchen, and everything is open plan and joined. So come on and I will show you the Butlers Pantry. I've always dreamed about having a Butlers Pantry, a place where I can prepare the food and have the mess away from everybody that's coming over to the house. So this space is a real luxury for me. And we've continued the same Hampton style shaker cabinetry in here, but a little bit of a different twist is we've gone the grey cabinetry, which is the same grey actually that we used on the island bench in the kitchen. And it is Dusty Mule by Porter's Paints, and it's absolutely stunning. And in this space, this actually used to be what we used as the toy room for the children. And also, I guess it could have been a bedroom, but it was an awkward space and it wasn't very usable. And I feel like this is gonna be used so much better for our family. So we've got the overhead cabinets, which is similar to the kitchen, where we can store all of our glassware. We've got the integrated dishwasher. And we've tried to keep all of our appliances integrated throughout the home, just to really highlight the pieces we wanted to highlight. So we've got all of the pull-out bins as well in this space. And I loved the idea of open shelving so I can style it up, mix it up how I want to, and yeah, really highlight some of my favorite pieces. And again, we've gone the marble subway tiles in here. We really love the marble style and it fits with our color palette, greys of whites and neutral tones that we've carried throughout the home. Initially, I was worried about looking after them, but I must say that they've been really easy to look after so far, but not as easy as our Stone Ambassador Benchtops, which we've also used in here, which is the same as our kitchen. Originally, we were going to do a plainer style in the Butlers Pantry and the laundry, but once I saw the Sierra Leone, we fell in love with it, and I'm so glad that we decided to go with the more detailed design of the Sierra Leone. But I'd have to say the feature of our Butlers Pantry is this brass sink by ABI Interiors, and we've used the same tapware out of the kitchen. But I just love how luxe the sinks look by ABI. And they are, as I said, a real feature of the Butlers Pantry. So this is our brand new laundry. I don't know if you guys remember from my previous videos, but this laundry used to finish about here. So we've definitely increased the space in the laundry. We never had any storage, so we've got a new broom cupboard in here. And being now a family of 5, obviously this is a space that I spend a lot of time doing washing, especially with a new baby. So I wanted the space to be really beautiful and a place that I enjoyed spending time in. And I can honestly say I love doing washing in here. It's got such a nice vibe about it. So again, we've used the marble subway tiles. I love the overhead storage area, and I actually use these baskets all the time for the kids' laundry. I've got a hanging rack that I can hang things to dry. And as you can see on the floor, we've done a marble herringbone mosaic tile, which are just so stunning. And in this space also, we've continued the ABI brass sinks. which really finish off the space and complement the handles. So just to keep everything consistent with the kitchen, we've used the same handles in here and the same Stone Ambassador bench tops. With the shears, I really wanted some window furnishings that were going to soften the space but still let light in. These shears are from DIY Blinds, and the color that we went with is Nougat. So it's a really pretty like grey, warm grey color in a linen sheer, and I just love how luxurious they feel and they really finish off the space. So the laundry leads into our stunning powder room, and we decided to have a little bit of fun in here. It was actually Garth's idea, so I won't take too much credit for it, but we wanted to play around with a bit of color, and I'm so glad we decided to go with these amazing aqua tiles by Tile Trends. It's funny because when we got the sample, they really looked like a blue tile, but once we got them in the space, they actually have a bit of green in them. So it's really important to bring the tile or the pieces that you love into the space you're going to use them, and see how the light affects the colors. But I love how they turned out. Initially we were going to go with a grey grout, but I think the white grout has really helped the color pop. And my favorite feature of the bathroom though would have to be this round mirror. I got it from West Elm, and it's a combination of bone inlay and a gold, and I feel like it really makes the space feel quite nautical, which is important in a Hampton style. But I think these wall lights really help soften the space and create such a nice mood with the warm lighting. With our vanity, it's actually a rattan buffet that we bought, just a furniture piece, and we added the stone on top to create our own vanity. And it's a little bit casual, it's a little bit different to what we've done in other spaces in the home. It's not quite as formal, but I loved that this is our powder room. It's a bit of fun. It's also the powder room that you would use if you're coming from the pool. And yeah, it's got like a summery vibe to it. With the walls, we actually used a waterproof VJ, and it's the first time we've used this before, but it's really great to bring in that coastal vibe, and then you can have fun and paint it whatever color you want to paint it. With the shower actually used to be in this space here, so it was in the corner. It was really pokey and hard to use, so we cut into the hallway and put in this new shower, which is a much better use of space. It's heaps bigger and it's just seamless with the rest of the room. So I've just come upstairs to the children's bathroom, and I must say they've got a gorgeous space up here. So we've done the same with our vanity upstairs, is that we bought a buffet that we absolutely loved and then added our own stone bench top. So this way we can really have a different style, something that's unique and a little bit quirky, and it works really well in this space. And we've continued the VJ boards up here as well, so it really gives you that coastal vibe. And how amazing is this arch mirror by Salt and Steel? It's really the center of the space, and yeah, I really love how it's turned out. These wall lights are from Beacon Lighting, and they have a really nautical vibe about them as well. And we've continued the touch of brass all the way through this bathroom. So we've got the Tapware from ABI Interiors, and we've also used their basins, which are such a unique shape, and they've really added to the style of the bathroom. We've used the double shower in this bathroom. Originally, it was the same size, but it only had one shower head, but we felt the bathroom was definitely big enough to have the 2 shower heads. And already we've used the space so much as a family to all shower in there. With the 3 children, it's so much fun to get everybody in there together and get it done quickly. So this bath is a stone bath, and it really maintains the heat well. We've done the wall tapware again from ABI. The color we've used throughout, the white color is Lexicon Quarter, and it's been the perfect white for us. I feel like it's really a true white, doesn't throw any blue or any other colors, and picking the white was really hard for us. But we've actually done the same tiles in this bathroom that we used downstairs. So they are the Carrara Marble Herringbone pattern tiles, and they're really luxurious as well. And we've used them in the niche in the bathroom. I feel like this pool space really epitomizes the Australian Hamptons outdoor living. It's going to be so stunning and I can't wait to use this space in summer. So as you can see, the pool has been totally resurfaced. So we're going to be getting all new pebblecrete, and we're in the process of that at the moment. We're choosing tiles, which is really exciting. We're talking about doing something a little bit fun, but I won't give away too much just yet. The tiling around the edge of the pool is going to be the limestone pavers, and it's such a beautiful material, but still quite neutral in palette. So we decided to do something really fun and add a swim up pool bar. It's something that we've always really enjoyed when we go to resorts and on holidays, and we wanted that resort holiday feeling at our own home, so it's like a staycation. So our pool bar will have little stools that are in the water so you can swim up, order a drink, and happy days. We are also having a gazebo that goes outside with a hanging day bed so you can lay and watch the water, and putting in an outdoor shower. We've decided to keep the spa, but it won't be a functional spa. And we will be putting in grass areas outside to have day lounges, and also a fire pit to be put in. So I can't wait to show you the progress of what's been happening. And yeah, the result looks like it's going to be amazing. So what's next for our Hamptons Haven? Well, we've got to put the stone on our gorgeous fireplace that Garth just installed. I'm really excited to see this stone put up because it's been on our mood board since we first started. We've also got some bookshelving coming for either side of the fireplace, which is going to be great to style. And furnishings, we're waiting for furniture, and the styling part is my favourite, so I can't wait to see what's in store for that. We've also got to put stone in our wine cellar and come up with the front door colour, which I know you've all been helping me with, so thanks for everyone for your suggestions. And our stairs. So we decided to stick with the original staircase, and we've just updated it. So we've got to put the timber floor on each of the stair treads, but I'm really loving with how it's looking, and I'm so glad that we stuck with the original staircase. It's got so much character and so much meaning to the home. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed all of the reveals that we showed you today. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll see what's happening with the house next time. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a like because it really supports my channel. So thanks, guys.